Welcome. Thank you for downloading interactive elements. In this video, we're just going to quickly show you how to load up the package. So as you can see here, I imported the package. I go to the Element Interactions folder, Demo Scene, double-click Demo Scene, and then this is what pops up. From here, then you just hit play. And as the directions on the screen show you, right, you can move the player, which is the pink object. And all of these things are the various elements by what they look like, right? Water, wood, ice, fire. In this demo scene, the cubes can be picked up by hitting F and dropped by hitting G, as the directions say, right? The cylinders have rigid bodies, so they can be pushed over. And some of these, has, right, a box collider, and the water has triggers, so you can see what that looks like too. So the scene here has various types of game objects, so you can play around with it and see how it works. Okay, have fun.